back to my channel for another CVS Deals video, and thank you all for joining me once again. This is a brand new ad and there are so many deals going on in it. Just make sure you're scanning the items with your phone to see what coupons or CRTs you have that will attach to them. And if you need a list of all the deals I mentioned in this video, check the description box. A link to a Google Doc, you can print them or you can screenshot them to help you while you're at the store. If you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go find some deals. Let's start with the 74.8 ounce Snuggle fabric conditioner. It's on sale for $8.99 and when you buy one, you get $3 back. Pick up one, pay the $8.99 and you get 3 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back, limit of 1. That will end up making it just $4.99. The 500 ml scope mouthwash is on sale for $3.99 and is part of buy 3 get 5 back. Pick up 3 for a total of $11.97. Check your app. We have a 5 off 3 digital coupon that you will use and your new total will be $6.97. Pay that and you get 5 back, making them $1.97 or 66 cents. My next deal is on Colgate mouthwash. It's on sale for $4.99 and is part of spend 15 get 7 back. Pick up 3 for a total of $14.97 and that's within the 98% rule for spend 15. If you're doing this deal, ask your cashier and see if your store follows the 98% rule. If your store doesn't follow the 98% rule, then you have to add one more to this deal, which will make it more expensive. I suggest you wait till another deal comes around. With the $14.97 total, use a 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $10.97, get 7 back, making them $3.97, $1.32 each. Last week, most accounts got some really good CRTs and my account got 3 off 10 Colgate CRT. If you have the 3 off 10 CRT, using it, your new total will be $7.97 and you get 7 back, making them 97 cents or 32 cents each. The next deal I have is not giving back any extra care box, and that's on Kellogg's cereal. They are on sale for $1.99. Pick up one and pay $1.99. The Nature Valley granola bars are on sale for $1.99. No extra care box bag. Pick up one for $1.99. The family size Chips Ahoy cookies are on sale for $4.49 and they are part of buy 2 get $2 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $8.98. Pay the $8.98 and get 2 back, making them $6.98 or $3.49 each. The Lona shortbread cookies are on sale for 2 for $5 and they are part of buy 2 get $2 back. Pick up 2, pay $5 and get 2 back, making them $3 or $1.50 each. The Chic or Skintimate disposable razors are on sale for $6.99, no extra care box bag. Pick up one and use the $3 digital coupon and you pay $3.99. If you have the 2 or 5 disposable razor CRTs, you can use it with this deal. The coupon and the CRT will take off $5 and you pay just $1.99. Method hand wash are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off and they are part of buy 2 get $2 back. Pick up 2 priced at $5.19 each. With the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $2.60. These 2 will total $7.79. Pay the $7.79 and you get 2 back, making them $5.79 or $2.90 each. My next deal is on Dove hand wash. They are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2 priced at $5.29 each and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $2.65. The 2 will total $7.94. Pay the $7.94 and you get 4 back, making them $3.94, $1.97 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 6 back on Neutrogena makeup remover cleansing towelettes. Pick up 2, they are priced at $7.79 each. Both will total $15.58. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $11.58, get 6 back, making them $5.58 or $2.79 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 6 back on any CoverGirl cosmetics. Pick up 2 of the CoverGirl brow pencils priced at $6.29 each. Both will total $12.58. Everyone received a $4 off CoverGirl extra care coupon and we also have a $2 digital coupon. The two coupons will take off $6 and you pay $6.58, get 6 back, making them 58 cents or 29 cents each. My next deal is buy 2 get 7 back on Nivea hand and body lotion, lip care, the 2-pack, body wash or men's shave products. Pick up 2 8.4-ounce Nivea lotion priced at $7.29 each. These two will total for $10.58. Use a $3 off Nivea digital coupon and you pay $11.58, get 7 back, making them $4.58 or $2.29 each. My next deal is on Iris Spring Body Wash. It's on sale for 2 for $10 and is part of buy 2 get 3 back. Pick up 2. Use the $1 digital coupon and you pay $9, get 3 back, making them $6 or $3 each. If you prefer the soft soap body wash, it's part of this deal too, and the coupon will also work on it. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 2 back on any L'Oreal or Vive shampoo or conditioner, 12.6 ounce. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner. They are on sale for 2 for $10. Pay the $10 and you get $2 extra care box. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 back, limit of 1, and that will make the 2 items just $6.50 or $3.25 each. My next deal is on the 16 to 17.9 ounce Pantene shampoo or conditioners. They are on sale for 2 for $13.97, no extra care box back. Pick up 2 and use the 6 off 2 digital coupon. You will pay $7.97. And that will make each one just $3.99. The next hair care deal I have is on the 10.6 to 12.5 ounce head and shoulder. Pick up 2. They are on sale for 2 for $14, no extra care box back. Use the 7 off 2 digital coupon and you will pay $7, making each item just $3.50. The next hair care deal I have is on Garnier Fruity shampoo and conditioners. They are on sale for 2 for $8 and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $5, get 3 back, making them $2 or $1 each. If you have a 2 off 6 hair care CRT, this will be a good deal to use it with. Adding it to this deal, you will pay $3 and get 3 back, making them free. My next deal is on the 168 to 216 count Pampers wipes. They are on sale for $7.99 and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $15.98. Use the $1 off 2 coupon from Coupon24 app and you pay $14.98, get 5 back, making them $9.98 or $4.99 each. The finished Powerball Ultimate tabs are on sale for buy 1 get 1 free and they are part of buy 2 get 3 back. Pick up 2 priced at $9.99, but this deal is buy 1 get 1 free, so you're paying for just 1. Check your app. We have a $1 coupon. That will drop it down to $8.99 and you get 3 back, making both packs just $5.99 or $3 each. The next deal I have is spend $30, get $10 back, and I have 2 options for this deal, but it's a limit of 1 per account. The first option I have is to pick up 2 Tide detergents on sale for $14.99 each. The 2 will total $29.98. And that's within the 98% rule for spend 30. Use 2 $3 off Tide coupon, 1 from Coupon24 app and 1 from CVS app. The 2 coupons will take off $6 and you pay $23.98, get 10 back, making them $13.98 or $6.99 each. The second option I have is to pick up 1 Gain detergent on sale for $9.99, 1 Gain fabric softener on sale for $9.99, and to complete this deal, pick up the 240 count Gain dryer sheet on sale for $9.99. The 3 will total $29.97, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 30. We have a $2 digital coupon for the detergent, a $2 digital coupon for the fabric softener, and a $2 digital coupon for the dryer sheets. The 3 coupons will take off $6 and you pay $23.97, get 10 back, making them $13.97 or $4.66. The next deal I have is on the 27.5 to 28 ounce Arm & Hammer detergent. They are on sale for 3 for $7.49, no extra care box back. Pick up 3. Check your app. We have a $1.50 off digital coupon. After the coupon apply, you will pay $5.99 for all 3, making them $2 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.